Hey everybody, it is spooky season, so today I'm basically going to be making a video on my most recent project. It's a pair of pants that are like Halloween and horror punk themed in the style of DIY punk patchwork like I usually do on this channel. I was going to call these my pumpkin patch pants or my pumpkin patch pants, but I felt like that was a little too tacky. So just calling them my Halloween pants for now. Just a heads up, there's no like tutorial or like me making these. I'm going to show you them in their completed form and just walk through them and talk about them a little bit because spooky season is my favorite time of year. And actually I would like to mention this shirt here. This was made for me by a friend. It's a patch that they drew themselves. It's just like eyeballs and worms and stuff. So here are the pants, and these are just thrifted black denim jeans. I cut them a little bit shorter because I am short, and all the patches you see here were sourced one of four ways. They were either cut out from pre-existing fabrics, hand painted by myself, printed onto canvas paper, and or bought from other artists. So I'm going to do this in the way that makes the most sense to me. I'm going to show you one leg at a time, front and back, and just go through all the patches. So starting off on the top here, you'll see a lot of these, but these are some cutouts from a t-shirt that a friend gifted me that are all very spooky. I love the imagery. Down here we got first hand painted patch just says horror punk, and additionally we got this Michael Myers. I purchased him and a bunch of these horror screen printed patches from someone on Etsy, and their name was Retirement Fund. You can also see you'll see this a lot, but I printed out on canvas paper these little patterns for like Halloween stuff, little ghosts, pumpkins, coffins, bats, cats, etc. Also got Children of Bodom's second album on here, Hate Breeder. I recommend checking it out. It's a cool metal album. Blood Opera is a band that I had the privilege of opening for. They're from Toronto, and they're a horror-themed metal band. They have a lot of gimmicks, and they dress up. It's really cool. I picked this up at that show, and though not fitting in with the rest of the theme necessarily, I have an anti-fascist patch on here, and I do think that the font is all black metal-y and does fit in decently well. The skull is self-explanatory, as are these coffins, I feel like. Just some more stuff that I printed and cut out, and some more t-shirt material on the side here. I've also got this Fright Light patch, which is a local band, local horror punk band that hasn't been around for a while, but they were really cool, and they're on YouTube. You can check them out. I've also got some more t-shirt material and even some blank patches you'll see on here. Not so many, but just to fill in the empty spaces. This Boo patch I obviously just made myself, as well as this pumpkin, which I'm really happy with. I made a bunch of them because I really like how they turned out. Also, you're going to keep seeing all those green and purple and orange cutouts with the bats and etc. Harley Poe is a folk punk artist. I just feel like the imagery was pretty creepy, so it works. Pumpkin patch, super cute, super cute. I love it. Obviously double meaning with the patch. And we got some more printed stuff and some more cutouts. I've also got the Misfits logo because this was a patch that was gifted to me. I just slapped it on top of a blank patch because the shape was obviously a bit weird. Some more Halloween patterns down here, and Within Destruction, which is a deathcore band, their album on here, I felt like the art was super creepy, so I'd love to have it on there. Mule Goods is a local seamstress, and they've made me some patches, so I just wanted to support, plus the green fits in really well with the pants. Also got another pumpkin guy here. Now we're going to flip to the back. Back here, there is a lot of empty space, and on the top of the pants as well. That's because I wear long sleeves, and I didn't think it was worth patching right now. You will see the bag patch here, which is just a local band. I just wanted to support them, and so that's why that is on there. We've also got this creepy face here, and if any of you can tell me which movie it's from, please comment down below. I think this is really cool, but gothic imagery is always creepy to me, and I wanted to slap that on there. This bird here isn't necessarily like scary, but it is a gift from a friend and I wanted to show it off. We also got this punk rock Halloween patch down there, and interestingly, I wanted to talk about this, but I have been trying stencils. I got some that are really cool, you guys will see soon, but this was a poor attempt at the Misfits logo. Cute little pumpkin guy. Cheetos is actually from a sock that a pair of socks that I got holes in. but the orange works, and it is pretty comedic. We've also got this creepy looking dude down here, and some more t-shirt fabric, and as well what's interesting is the background imagery for a poster that my band Hales had used. This is a cutout from a magazine, and down here as well we got that dude's face again, kind of on a misprint. I just felt like including it anyways. Same with this No Future, had a bit of a misprint. Canvas paper can be hard to work with sometimes, but I think it's worth it to get that level of detail. Some more pumpkin dudes here, you'll keep seeing them. As well as this Transroid patch, nothing to do with Halloween or spooky season, but I just got it as a gift, and I wanted to put it on here. So we've also got this super nice embroidered Wake Me Up When It's October coffin patch that my friend gave me at a sewing club that we were hosting, so that was really fun. I also like this green, like these green blank patches. I think they're pretty fun. So now here onto the other side. At the top we got a hand-painted Trick or Treat patch, another hand-painted pumpkin, as well as, again, this is Fishman. This is one of those horror screen printed patches that I got from Etsy. Once again, retirement fund on Etsy, super cool stuff. I do recommend you buy it. Nice Dawn of the Dead patch from the movie, and another skull here. That was a gift, along with the Dawn of the Dead patch from my bassist in Hales. We've got some more printed stuff. I really love this like Halloween town, and I just had to include it when I saw it. I also like the orange blank patches because I do think they fit super well. And I've got some more music stuff on the side here, so if these cooperate with me I can show you. This is another Harley Poe patch. Yeah, he has really good like horror imagery, so I wanted to include some more. And actually underneath that we've got Children of Bodom as well. Their next album, this is Fall of the Reaper, and honestly the Grim Reaper imagery is what drew me in to put this on my pants, but I love this band and I can't recommend them enough. Onto the other side I've got this hand painted little, it's just the word spooky, it's like dripping with green paint, and I like the color a lot, so I put it in this blank space beside it as well. Honestly, I'm loving the whole like color everywhere on the pants for these. It's a big contrast for me. Got this eyeball, and I've also got the pumpkin patch and these screen printed patches from the same person on Etsy. I also recommend Relics of the Rat if you guys are trying to find some spooky Halloween patches, and they also make other stuff. There's also some more sock material from the Cheeto socks that we saw before, and there's also this little scene here with these Grim Reapers and some blank patches and stuff. I think with that we could probably move on to the other side of these, this leg. So this side's kind of interesting actually, because again I've got another stencil that is a little bit poor from my first foray into stenciling, but this is a germ stencil, and I've got a lot more t-shirt material and cutouts. I've got this absolutely gruesome Chelsea Grin, I think it was their EP cover, and as well you can see that Children of Bodom patch again. And I want to point out in terms of color, like the blue and purple on this witch here, on this canvas paper printout, are absolutely beautiful. Under that I've got a couple things, lots of pumpkins down here, little Andrew Jackson Jihad AJJ patch, that's a folk punk band. I think the colors really fit in, and more sock material and blank patches. I really like the orange blank patches. I like this pumpkin scarecrow dude as well, and this little pumpkin with his hat is so cute. The resist, it comes in green, and I felt like that fit on here. Kind of doesn't look so green on camera, but trust me, it is. And nice little embroidered pumpkin down here I got as a gift from my friend at a sewing club as well. And another little cute cat beside that, and very cool white Crystal Lake swim team patch. I believe that came from the same Etsy seller, Retirement Fun. I wanted to show you guys these inside out as well, just to kind of make me realize how much time I put into them. I remember hearing a dude say the other day that he put 80 patches on his battle jacket, and I'm counting these and realizing that I've got about twice that, and they're all hand sewn. So this was quite an undertaking, and I started back in summer. I'm really happy with how they turned out though, so I can't complain. And here's some shots of me wearing them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. and I hope you can share your own projects if you have them. And I'm really happy to keep making stuff and posting it for you. So I'll see y'all in the next video.